Hi, I just got home after driving to town, which is a few miles away from my house, and something happened while I was driving. So I was in my car and I noticed a man walking on the side of the road. He was quite heavy, probably in his 70s, and he was heavily breathing through his mouth, keeping a hand on his chest close to his heart. So it looked like this. And the cars were just passing by, assuming that, it's fine. But, I stopped, I opened the window of my car and I said, "Are you okay?" And it was even difficult for him to reply because of his heavy breathing. So he was like, "No, I'm not okay." So I said, "Okay, please get into the car." And I put my hand on his chest, trying to relax his chest. And I introduced myself as a breathing specialist. Of course, I didn't mention Buteyko because most people don't know what the word Buteyko means. And I said, "I can help you. I'm going to guide you how to breathe and you will be fine." So of course, first I suggested that he would breathe through his nose gently and peacefully. It was very difficult for him. So I had to add some other breathing exercises. And eventually, within 10 minutes or so, he was fine. His breathing became calm. Of course, his breathing wasn't perfect at all. Still, his belly was moving quite intensely, but at least his chest wasn't moving and he was able to breathe through his nose relatively quietly. So I gave him a lift to his house, and his friend who was staying there came outside and I explained what happened, and the friend said that he would take care of this man. His name is Marvin. So Marvin looked at me and he said, "Thank you so much. You saved my life." And I said, "I know. That's what I do because I teach the Buteyko method." And then at that time, I mentioned Buteyko because I wanted him to remember this word. So the Buteyko method is a precious gift for anyone who has asthma or experience any kind of breathing difficulties. Often people who have breathing difficulties are trapped in a situation when they cannot live without medication because their breathing difficulties make their life unpredictable and rather miserable. But if they take medication, as doctors suggest, then they experience side effects, which making them more and more ill every year. So it's very difficult to break free out of this vicious circle. And Dr. Buteyko invented the method which allows to achieve this goal naturally. So by controlling your breathing in a specific way, by making it healthy, people are able to reduce or even stop their breathing problems. And then medication is not needed anymore, and they could enjoy their life. So I'm very excited about Breathe to Heal workshop because I made it really simple and affordable for people. And during this workshop, I'm going to pass an incredible gift, this precious knowledge on how to stop breathing difficulties naturally to you. So I hope to see you there. Thank you. To learn the Buteyko breathing method to tame your asthma, participate in Breathe to Heal online workshop. Check the link on the description or visit buteykobreathingcenter.com or read Breathe to Heal book, Break Free from Asthma.